Hi, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. I was at one of the best places in the world, Kashmir in India. I've also been to Switzerland. I love Switzerland too. But there's something different about Kashmir, which you'll never find anywhere in the world. It was snowing, ice frozen everywhere, and I was walking there on the Dal Lake. The Dal Lake is all frozen in winters. And what happens is the kids play on that because it's all frozen. Two kids I saw while I was walking were playing. One was probably a 4 or 5 year old kid and the other one was probably 7 or 8 year old kid. And they're playing with each other, and unfortunately an incident took place. While the younger one was walking towards the elder one and they were playing something, his leg fell into a thin layer of ice and went inside the deep freezing water. And he started shouting at the top of his voice. The elder one took all his energy together to see that he gets him out of that puddle, gets him out of that lake, and his leg was so scratched up. So he tried very hard, took a branch which was just near, gave it in his hand, tried to pull him up. And with a lot of efforts, he got that young kid up who was just 4 or 5 years old. By the time, because of the noise that the kid made, a lot of people gathered together. The ambulance came, the doctors came. And they said, what? This kid, after 2 minutes of struggle, he came out of that water and it was the elder kid who got him out? It's impossible. Because no one can still live alive in that freezing temperature of water. And that was a kid so small. There was a very senior and wise guy there. And he said something which was a lesson for life, which you might find very useful. He said, you know why the kid came out? Because there was no one who could tell him he couldn't do it. And every time in our life, we are so much inculcated with negative people that they keep on telling us the moment we talk of a plan, hey, that's not possible. Don't do it. You will fail. It's never been done before. But the moment you make your ears and eyes see and do what you believe is possible, you ought to be successful. Because what you need to do is, when you have negative people in your life, is you need to throw them out. And how do you do that? What I asked an audience in one of my motivational talks, what do you do when you have dandruff? And they said, okay, we use a shampoo. And I said, what shampoo? They said, Head and Shoulders. I said, great. That's what you need to do with negative people. And what's that? It's very simple. When you have dandruff, it keeps on eating your head. Negative people keep on eating your head. Use your head and use your shoulders and keep them away. I hope you must have enjoyed this story. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.